Hello, I'm Charles Christian, CEO and founder of Interglobe Engineering. Welcome to Interglobe Engineering. As a young professional, I always had a dream in my heart to become a manager in any reputable organization. I never had a thought in my heart to start a business. However, in the year 2016, I had a goal in my heart to start a business. And through the help of my father, I started doing this business. But in the initial year, I got the order from POSCO Steel Processing Unit from Sanand for road markings and MEP and civil contracting work. This was the first order that I had executed wonderfully, and we were awarded by the client for doing such a wonderful job. And this is how it all started. Interglobe Engineering is a certified company both for road marking paints and execution of road marking services. So we have a brand name called Rycoat. And under that brand name, we manufacture this road marking paints. In our technical language, we call it as a thermoplastic road marking paint. And the other paint that we manufacture is for cold blast paint, that is also called MMA paint. Usually, these paints have been used on road surfaces and on industries, warehouses, and malls, residential and commercial complexes. Apart from that, the paints that we are manufacturing is being used by the applicators. The applicators are those applicators who are having the road marking machineries with them. They only can use it. And the second thing I would like to tell about this road markings, it's not a paint that usually been done through a roller or a brush. You need a special equipment or a road marking equipment or a machinery to do this, to do the application of the paint. Secondly, we are also a distributor of Graco machineries. It's a United States of America machinery, and we are the distributor for it. We can supply these machineries to Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. So Graco machineries are the machineries that are the pioneer in the road marking industry, and usually people are not having these machineries in India. Apart from that, the brand I told about, Rycoat, that is our own brand, and we are manufacturing that paint. And this paint has been used by almost 80% of the applicators in India. We are supplying this material pan-India, whether it's in Chennai or in Kashmir. Everywhere we are supplying this material, and this is what we are doing. We manufacture thermoplast paint as per IRC 35-2015. That's a grade that has been used for the roads, for commercial roads, like we can say for industries, warehouses, residential and commercial buildings, and municipal corporation roads. And it can also be used on the warehouses. Rycoat comb can be used on medium to heavy traffic roads of asphalt and concrete surfaces. The second product we are having is Rycoat Prime, and this is also under the specification of IRC 35-2015. Usually this paint has been used on state highways, and the compound or we can say the binders that are being used in Rycoat Prime is typically different than Rycoat Comb. The third product we are having is Rycoat Pro, and this paint can be used on asphalt and concrete surfaces with heavy traffic. The benefits of Rycoat Pro is high durability, high adhesion, and good day and night visibility. Apart from that, it is having high skid resistance, fast drying time, and the temperature required for this paint is only 150 degree. In compared to other paints, the temperature required to melt this paint is around 200 to 250, but in our paint it's only 150 degree. Road marking also increases driver and pedestrian safety by improving visibility at night and during inclement weather conditions. Senior citizens and people with disabilities benefit from designated lanes and spaces, while parking spaces allocations and navigation is more efficient. Road marking also guides and controls traffic, channelizing the movement of pedestrians and cyclists into the safe zones. Apart from this, the road marking can also be used in industries and warehouses. I have seen in some of the warehouses where they have been using this road marking for the truck parkings and for the dock markings and even for car and bike parking. So it can not only be used only on roads but also in the industries and warehouses and for commercial and residential buildings. Our paint is of highest quality, the top-notch chemicals and pigments we are using it for our manufacturing process. Unlike the industry standard of using titanium dioxide, we use optical brightener for its production. Additionally, the material used to make Rycoat Prime and Rycoat Pro are purchased from reputable Japanese and European brands. The thermoplastic paint is produced using state-of-art Greco-line laser machines. Our team is comprised solely of high-skilled technical professionals including chemical, mechanical and civil engineers. We provide services to government bodies like NHAI, that is National Highway Authority of India, R&B Department, PWD Department, ODA, that is Ahmedabad Urban Development Authority, GUDA, Gandhinagar Urban Authority Development, AMC, Ahmedabad Municipal Corporations and State Highways. We also provide services to private sectors like warehouses and industries. We are having a pan-India contract with one of the leading e-commerce warehouse, and we are providing services to them everywhere in India. Apart from this, we can also provide services to large residential colonies and societies. We also provide services to aviation industries for air traffic control. The paint that has been used for airports are typically different than thermoplast. We are using a WBR paint, that is water-based reflective paints, and the other paint that has been used on runways is an MMA paint. We provide services for both paints, and we have special machineries that are required to do MMA and WBR application. Our organization is certified with ISO 9001-2015. We have also received a certificate for manufacturing thermoplastic compound according to moth grade, which states for Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. Our exceptional road marking service in Gujarat has been recognized by leading newspaper The Economic Times. Additionally, we are a pan-India contractor for road marking services for some of the top e-commerce organizations in India. So coming to future projects and goals, as you said, we are currently in the process of setting up an automatic manufacturing unit for road marking paints by 2025. We also plan to use an automatic machine to produce high quality Rycoat paint that will supply all over India. Our initial plan is to establish 3 branches, with one located in Kolkata, one in South, potentially it would be either in Chennai or in Coimbatore, and one in North India, somewhere in Delhi or Jaipur. Our ultimate goal is to become a top-notch service provider for road marking services, starting with Gujarat within the next 3 years. By 2040, we aim to be the leading manufacturer and service provider of road marking materials in Pan-India.